Hi everyone, I am Jolima R. Vicente and welcome for our activity number 7. This activity was focusing in codes, but we have 3 assigned topics and those are basic logic gates, encoding and decoding, repetition codes, and Hamming codes. Our objectives are understand logic gate using binary codes. Second, understand how to use codes and encoding and decoding to solve real-life problems and situations. Third is to understand how to use repetition and Hamming codes in every form of codes. Before we proceed for our presentation, let's have small discussion what is basic logic gates, encoding or decoding, and repetitions, code, and Hamming code. First, what is basic logic gates? Logic gates are based on the Boolean algebra. It's any moment, every terminal is one of the two binary conditions, false or true. False represent for 0 and true represent for 1. Depending on the types of logical gates being used and combination of its inputs, the binary output will be differ. What is encoding code? Encoding code is the process of converting information from one form to another. This can be done of various purposes such as transformation, storage, security. There are different encoding techniques such as a Huffman coding, arithmetic coding, and run length encoding among others. Decoding, on the other hand, is the process of converting encoded information back into its original form. This involves using a decoding algorithm that is capable for understanding the specific encoding format used in converting the encoded data back into its original form. What is repetition code? Is a simple error correcting code that involves repeating each bit of a message several times. For example, we wanted to transmit the message of 010 using repetitions code. We could repeat it 3 times, resulting in the encoded message of 0011 00111 of each number. Hamming code is more sophisticated and error correcting code of that use a bit to detect or correct error in a message. Both repetition code and Hamming code are important techniques for error corrections or digital communications. Our scenario was about murder. So we used these 3 assigned topics to know who is the killer and to solve this murder case.
Emma is at the corner sobbing, while the police officer enters with Detective Cruz.
Hi, my utmost sympathy for your loss. I am Officer Jilmi R. Vicente with Detective Cruz.
My deepest condolence. Can I interview you for a while? So, what is your relationship with the victim?
I'm her best friend and I'm a dorm mate.
How about your full name?
Padilla.
So, Miss Padilla, where are you when the crime happened? What is your alibi?
I was there in the comfort room to fix my makeup and returned to the dorm. I was solid body lying on the floor, full of blood.
Do you know who's been an enemy of the victims has grudge against her?
No, sir.
Police officer Vicente stood up and inspected the room. She saw a piece of paper on the table with a threat of written on it.
Oh, Detective Cruz, I saw paper on the table. Here.
Detective Cruz was done reading
I
the
think
paper,
she's
then
working
she
on
stood up
something.
and looked for the victim to decision, and it was if the victim was pointing at the wall with a paper
This is a
attached to
Morse
it.
code.
She went to the wall and
I think she wants to tell us
illustrated on it.
something about this.
At this point, Detective Cruz applied the codes
I think I can solve
to
this.
solve the murder case.
This is forest. This stands for 1, 2, 3. This is 5, 3, 2, 1, and 13, 31, 52, 21. From this, let's try to can be arranged with this by this 13, 31, 52, 21. Now for using abacus, stands for 1, 3, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, and 1. Now it's can be arranged again with this 15, 32, 32, and 11. I think I can solve this now. Using a Polybius square, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 15, 1, and 5. E, 32, M, 32 starts for M, and the last one is G, J. Smart kid.
What's with the smirk with your face? You already know who is the suspect, detective?
We both know it.
Don't tell me it's...
Yeah, it's her.
What is the meaning of this?
Stop acting like you're innocent, murderer.
You don't have evidence against me. I can file a case against both of you. Going to arrest me without enough evidence.
I'm sorry, Miss Padilla, but I have proof. First, your alibi is not enough to prove that you're innocent, since what you said earlier, you were in the comfort room for your makeup. But when we arrived in the crime scene, you didn't wear any makeup for yourself. So,
But
Even wore your t-shirts inside out. Perhaps your t-shirt was stained of blood. That's why you rushed to change your clothes when unfortunately you wore it wrong and just noticed when police is already coming. Police is already coming in your room. That's why you put hoodie, jacket, and we won't notice it, Emma.
and lastly, do you see this? This Morse code represents by your name. It says Emma, while this telenames kotosei mean in the Greek word, this means to be wants to kill me. A victim is too genius to wrote this without you knowing the meaning behind it. It means Emma wants to kill me, and about the weapon that you are used. I don't know where did you dispose it, but the cops are already searching for it to have concrete evidence that you are the prime suspect.
I killed her. I killed her because she's 12 times that's supposed to be mine. I should be the top one in class. I study hard to the on top. My parents are made me because I'm just in top too.
In conclusions, any kind of codes are very important, especially to our life. Like for examples, we use codes for murder to solve cases.